This is a quick video on how to straighten a tailgate. You see this pretty common on old beat up trucks. This just happens to be a truck bed trailer, but same concept. So tailgate's taking a hard hit from a heavy load, leaves a big dimple in the threshold between the bed and the tailgate. Take a couple pieces of angle iron, drill holes in it ever so often, and then you can take all thread, and bend it so underneath each one of these holes it does a 90, comes out about an inch, does a 90. So you've got a hook essentially under each one of these to help pull this back up into shape. So as you can see right here, you've got about a 3-inch drop right here in the middle, and then it's tapered to even on both ends. So you raise it up, chalk it up with wood on both sides, and as you start tightening the outside ends, crank down on it with nuts, it'll start to raise it up. And you can take an impact across all of them, one by one, slowly working your way to the middle, and it'll pull that dent back out. You'll have to cut these off as they come back up. Just take an angle grinder. When you take your rig off, you can see that tailgate is pulled back up, back to level with the bed, or pretty close to level. Definitely pulled quite a bit of bow out of it. And this is what it looks like down inside each one of these. So as you pull them up, you'll have to cut them off. This is the finished product after I painted it on. This has been a couple months now, and we've unloaded probably 3 or 4 loads of tree brush, and it's very solid. It's definitely rugged. I think it'll hold out. Definitely for a fraction of the cost, it's worth it.